back to my channel. It's Christine here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about my solo trip. So for those who do not know, earlier this year I went on a solo trip to Southeast Asia. I went for roughly about a month and a half to the beautiful island of Bali, Indonesia and Sydney, Australia. When I came back home, I had many people asking me how much did my trip cost or how I managed to do it on my own. So today I want to give you guys that information since so many of you guys have been asking for that. I'm going to be focusing on Bali's budget today. Australia's budget can be for another video. So if you want to know how much I spent an entire month in the beautiful island of Bali, Indonesia, please keep watching. Now that the AC is off, I can talk to you guys and you can hear me greatly. So the most important purchase you will be making is your flight. How are you going to get there? So I personally use this app called Skyscanner. It is not sponsored. Skyscanner is a website where you can monitor flights when they increase or decrease in price. You can compare the prices by date, so you can see, oh no, it's cheaper to leave Tuesday instead of Thursday. Keep in mind that you are not buying these flights from the airlines, so make sure you show up early to your flights, because if you show up late, you get no refund. For me, I was monitoring this flight for a few months, and once I seen that it was under $400, booked it, got my flight for $394 after taxes and travel insurance and all of that good stuff. My flight was a little under $450. So from New York City to Bali, Indonesia, that's about 10,100 miles. That's great. So for my flight back home, I did not fly from Bali to New York. I flew from Australia to New York. So I spent about $400 on my flight back. Again, purchased it from Skyscanner. That's how much I spent in flight. Obviously, it's gonna vary for you. So the second most important thing that would be taking another big chunk of your money is accommodation. Where are you gonna stay? Where are you gonna sleep? Where are you gonna clean that booty if you get diarrhea from Bali belly? So I stood in a beautiful one bedroom with a private bathroom bungalow with a shared pool and shared kitchen. I recommend the place 10 out of 10. It was great price, clean. Kitchen, however, I give it about like a 7 out of 10. It was just not in the condition I'd like it to be, but if I'm paying $531.63 for the entire month, yes, you heard that right, I can't really complain about the condition the kitchen was in. So you really just get your money's worth. You could easily have found a place for $200 for the month, and you could have also found one for $7,000 for the month. It just really depends on your budget. So if you want to trust the recommendation, I can give you 3, since I stood at 3 different places when in Bali, and I loved each and every one of them. The first one will be the Julie B that I stood at for 28 days. That's the name of it. It's Julie B Suites, and for a month it is around $532. The second place that I recommend, it's up on the screen. That place, I had a $40 off coupon, and it would have been only $350 for whole entire month. Yes, another 28 days. Julie B had a better location, but this place had a really clean kitchen, an amazing swimming pool, and an amazing room. I visited the place because I was planning to go again in March to Bali, but COVID kind of fucked that up for me. The third place I would recommend is Cozy Bobo. Cozy Bobo is a hostel in Seminyak. So the first 2 that I recommended were in Canggu. Seminyak is like their city, kind of. It's more in the center of Bali near the airport. So Seminyak, I stood in a hostel for $10 a night, and it was great. I met my friend Vera there, and now she is my friend for life. Definitely those 3 places are ones that I recommend. So there's like a low to mid-high budget depending on where you want to stay. And as for transportation, I would totally recommend, if you are comfortable driving a motorbike, renting a motorbike. I rented mine for 900,000 rupiah for the whole month, which means I was spending roughly about $3 a day on the moped. However, not many people are comfortable driving mopeds because it is crazy driving in Bali. Trust me, if you're not comfortable driving around in a moped, there's also Gojek. Gojek is basically their Uber, and I can do a 20-minute ride and it's about $2. So you can also have somebody drive you around, which is fun. The only time I took a Gojek is when I went out drinking, which was twice. So other than that, I was always driving, I was always behind the wheel. So for transportation, I probably spent about $100 for the whole month because gasoline also was in the budget. Filled the tank up probably once every 3 days. Filled the tank was probably about a good 30,000, which is about $2.50, $3 around there. So other than flight, accommodation, and transportation, I spent $500 my entire 28 days there. That means I spent about $125 a week, and the crazy part about that is that no budgeting whatsoever. That was just me swiping and giving cash, not worrying about how much money was coming out of my account. $125 a week. And I spent food, drinks, activities, little accessories, and souvenirs with those $500. When it came to activities, I went to Ubud for most of them. I went to the Ubud Monkey Forest. One jumped on me and was playing with my hair, and it was a little baby monkey, and then some lady told me, hey, you gotta get up because if the mama monkey comes and sees, you already know what's gonna happen. I went to the Bali swing, which was so beautiful. Like, the view is gorgeous of the rice terraces. It was just such a wonderful experience. And since it's so hot, that Bali heat is so hot, that swing gives you all this good breeze, and it is just blissful. I had also went to Tanalot. Tanalot was about a 20-minute drive from my house, so I went there a lot, probably 4 or 5 times throughout my 28 days there. I had also went to beaches a lot. I went to Echo Beach. I went to an abandoned beach with 2 of my friends, and I had also went to Canggu Beach, which I believe is also named Batu Balong. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I spent a lot of time at beaches just to even drink coconuts and watch the surfers, or just enjoy the view. After traveling, I can proudly say I am now obsessed with beaches. So after all the activities and souvenirs and stuff, came food. Balinese food is so cheap. It can easily be expensive, but the majority of the time, it is so cheap, yet so healthy. It's so easy to be healthy in Bali. I used to love to visit Crate. Crate is a cafe 5 minutes on the moped from Canggu Beach. I used to eat this salmon burrito with iced coffee and dragon fruit infused water and spend probably $12 US. Here, money definitely goes a long way when it comes to food, especially if you visit a warung. Warongs are basically local Indonesian food, and it is so delicious, and the price is even better. I used to go to Varona Warung, which is basically right there by Canggu Beach, and for $3 I'd get this huge plate, and it was only $3. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment down below a place that you've always wanted to visit to. Comment down below if you've been to Bali, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more advice on traveling with the one and only Christine. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys in my next video, whenever that is. Bye.